All first-time startup founders, welcome to the exciting world of entrepreneurship. As the world's startup ecosystem is mushrooming with thousands of new ventures every year, the chances are that you have already heard of many startup stories. But the truth is, the failure rate of startups is about 80% to 90%. Yes, you heard it right. More than 80% of startups don't survive over a year or two. Here are a few tips to make sure that your startup flourishes in the coming years. First, work on your mind. Surround yourself with people who have walked the path before. Ensure that your business idea is not just cool, but it solves a genuine market problem. If you can, try to bootstrap instead of raising money through VCs. Build 20% of the features that will provide 80% of the value. Build a team that knows its job well. Keep innovating and learn to enjoy the process.